Hi everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use the dynamic selectors for scrapping from different pages, as well as we are also see how the data tables can be merged to get the desired column values also. First we will see the demo, then we will start developing this kind of application in UiPath. So let us run this demo. I will run this one. It opens the internet browser with Amazon in value, and it enters laptop. It asks for the brand value. I choose Lenovo. Okay. Then it clicks Lenovo as the branch. It is scrolling down to find the RAM area. Now it selects 4 GB as the RAM. It goes to the page. Now it scraps the data from this page. Then again it goes to first page and enters laptop. Again it click the Lenovo. Now it goes for 8 GB RAM. It scraps the data for the 8 GB. Again it goes to the first page, selects Lenovo. This time it goes for 16 GB. Scraps the data. It completes the execution. We can go to the output, the Excel sheet created by this application to see the results. This is the results we have seen. The brand is Lenovo. RAM is, what is the RAM? It is 4 GB, 8 GB and 16 GB. And we have the descriptions. Then we have the price and the original price. All those things have been scrapped. 3 values have been scrapped from the website. The 2 values we have given as input that we will see while developing this application. Now we are going to develop the application. I can give the name as a dynamic selectors with merging data tables. I give the description as using dynamic selectors to add data website, and I do the folder demo is the folder. I create this one. While it is getting ready, I will show you one notepad. These are the information I have already created so that we can reduce the time. These are the information I will use while developing the application. Let us go to the application now. Yeah, it is now ready. We can go to the main. We can go to the main. First, we add the open browser activity. Open browser activity. and the URL is amazing. I give you a name for this web browser for feature usage. I say that Amazon browser. Let us run this one. And the browser type, I am choosing IV. Okay. So let us run this one. Yes, it is opening the IV. This is the way. So the next thing I want to do is maximize the browser. That is always better to maximize. So maximize window activity. Maximize window first activity. Again I will run. That is better way to do this one. Save and run. Yes, it is maximized. Then I will enter into the search box as laptop. So I select the type into activity. I say it is laptop. After laptop, the enter key needs to be entered. Okay. And the indicate element, this one. Let us select, let us find the selectors whether it is okay. I don't think so. So we can fine tune the selectors, for which we can open the UI Explorer. It will take some time. Yeah, it would be better to have AI name search because it will fine tune the selectors. So let us say save. Okay. And close this browser. Again, run this one. Better we can have a 1 minute delay before entering into the laptop because sometimes it would take some time. So let us introduce a delay of 1 minute, 1 second, a delay of 1 second. I can run this one. Now it opens the browser and enter laptop in the search field. Yes. A change I have made here is instead of one activity, I have split into 2 activities. The first one is entering the value here, and the hotkey enter will be separated. It is a very reliable IC, so that is the way I have split into this one. Now we need to enter the brand value. Let us run this one again. Yes, it goes to laptop. Now we are interested only in the Lenovo brand. So this checkbox needs to be clicked. So what we will do, we can add an activity called click. Click. Indicate the element, this one, this checkbox, and we select the selector. This parent ID we need. However, it can be dynamic. We are not sure about this one. So we can use a wildcard here. Validate this one. Okay. So now you can select the Lenovo as the brand. However, if our user interested instead of Lenovo HP, then we have to give some choice to him. For which what I will do is I will create an array that contains all the brand. So let us say an array that is called array brand. Here the name of the array is array brand, ARR brand. We can create this one, and it is an array of string. Okay, then we assign value for this array. Assign value for this one here. The array name is array brand. The values are, these are the brands available in this site. Okay, value is working now. Now we are getting the input from the user. So we use the input dialog activity. Input dialog activity. Now dialog title is laptop brand. I make it very simple. And the input label is selected. And the input type is not text box, it is multiple choice. And the option we are using is array brand. Okay, and the result we are getting is, let us say, control K, a variable called brand. Okay, now we can come to the dynamic selector. Now instead of Lenovo, we are selecting any brand the user is giving us input. So this, instead of Lenovo, we need to change it to a dynamic selector, for which you can use the open on VA Explorer. Select Lenovo. This is to be changed with a variable called brand. So right click, choose variable, select brand. Yes. Save. It is not validating now. Okay, good. Okay. Let us run this one. Run this one. Let us run this one. Opening the browser. Laptop. Close to laptop. Now we can select HP instead of Lenovo. Okay. Yes, it clicks HP. Now the dynamic selector at the brand value is working fine.